What's up, everybody? And today I am opening up three hold on, let me put this in my hands as best I can. 3 single pack blisters, 2 on Unified Minds and 1 Lost Thunder. I would like to mention normally I would sleeve promos, but I'm not going to be sleeving these because I have enough of each. I could say I have way too many of the Rowlet, because I opened up way too many of these at one point, because it's all I could find of single pack blisters. Okay. Try to actually open this a little bit quick. Put these over here. Okay. We're definitely going to save the Lost Thunder for last. Just in case I want to see the coins. It is a Lugia and a Empoleon coin. Same for the Pikachu one, it's an Empoleon coin. But let's see what pack arts we got for everything. A Lugia and 2 Garchomp and Giratina tag teams. Yeah, we're going to do the Lost Thunder for last. And let's get to opening. Let's see if I can get anything good. Okay. Okay, the code cards like that. Did not want to show what it was. It's 4 to the front, correct, yes. Psychic Energy, Munchlax, Bastion 1, Fraxu, Slockoff, Axew, Fletchinder, Stunfisk, Onyx, the reverses attack switch, and a Arachnoid non-hollow. So far, not the greatest. But let's go on to Unified Minds. Well, the other Unified Minds before we move on to Lost Thunder. You can even tell if this has some of the cardboard on it, or whatever you call that, like cardboard, yeah, I guess. From the blister pack it's been sitting in. Now let's just get the cards out. Here you go. Please do only take one if you do take a code card. Okay. Hoping for something. Grass Energy, Vigoroth, Pukamuka, Elgium, Marinian, Litwet, Cubone, Yanma, Young Goose. The reverse is a tag switch. Weird. Got 2 of the same reverses, and a Lipard non-hollow. Let me fix the stack really quick. It's funny that we got... Hold on. It's funny that we got both of the same reverses in a pack. Or 2 packs. Okay. Have not opened up Lost Thunder in a while. Last time I opened Lost Thunder... What's crazy to me is that Lost Thunder, the Lugia, was not the most expensive card. Right now, the Lugia is going for a lot. The Lugia Hyper Rare, or Rainbow Rare, whatever you want to call it. Here's the code card. I'm hoping for a Lugia GX, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to get it. Fire Energy, Lampert, Kecleon, Memory Energy, Tangela, Alolan Vulpix, Snubble, Meridian, Cyndaquil. The reverse is a reverse Carping and a Miltank non-hollow, so not the greatest opening. was hoping for better than that, but if y'all do want to see more Pokemon packages, please leave a like and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Bye!